georeference images from Google Earth straight to your Qgis by key points. In this case, we'll use the points in the 3 corners, at least 3 corners or 4 corners. Now let's prepare our work environment for the task. First, we need to eliminate any of the side panels by clicking Ctrl plus Alt plus B, and also the navigation, status bar, and navigation never. Of course, the tour guide also doesn't need to be turned on. And then we choose a map to save. This is a random map in Italy. I like the landscaping here, and I will just zoom in up and place. Of course, you can do that. You can merge many maps, as I've shown in my videos, but in this case I will just demonstrate with one map. You go to Add and Landmark, and go to the corner of the map. Of course, you will change the appearance of the symbol by clicking on this button here, and then we will choose a red color with transparency, with smaller scale, 0.7, and transparency of 50%. Then we'll change the type. Of course, first you will change the type because it resets your settings of transparency and scale. Press OK, and here you receive its coordinates. I will save it for now and show you how to change the coordinates type. Go to options and preferences, and then on the tab for the coordinates you will choose tenths of degrees. And now if you right click and go to properties, you will receive the coordinates. This is north and this is east. Press OK, and of course just we need to change the name of this landmark. I will give it no name for now, and I can see it easily. Then you place another landmark by clicking Ctrl plus Shift plus P again, and as you can see, it has received the same properties. And again, I suggest while you're in this tab, because it shows the coordinates, to start a Word file, empty Word file, and save the coordinates in it. In this case, for top left, we received 2 coordinates. For top right are this set of coordinates. And you can omit the degree sign, and you will save this file. you will save this file as coordinates. Right. And you click on your previous landmark, and again you will save its coordinates. Bear in mind that these coordinates are in coordinate system Qgis 84. We will need that later. Add another landmark. Place it slightly above the Google Earth sign because you will crop that. And copy its coordinates. I will type bottom right and paste the coordinates. North and east. Okay. And another landmark, which we'll place in the other corner. It doesn't need to be exactly in the corner, just on that side. Bottom left, this coordinate, and the other one. It's quite huge rain now, and you may hear it. It's wonderful to see some rain, especially during the springtime. Okay, that is the file of our coordinates. And close the tab. Of course, if you close like that, you will lose the landmark. I will do that again. Yeah, basically I hit the same spot. But if you need to be precise, you will have to update your coordinates. And now press OK. Now we have prepared our environment. Press print screen. Go to random program which will insert our print screen. Select, and I will crop it in Paint because it's only one image. Okay, press crop, file save as, and save the file. As a random of Italy. And now we will go to our Qgis file. And I will see you after it is loaded. Okay, our Qgis is ready. We will set up the coordinate system. CRS enable on the fly, and we will search for Qgis 84. Qgis 84. We can search Qgis 84, 84, 84. Let's see. If we sort them by ID, I think it will be easier. Geographic coordinate system. And again, we'll search for Qgis 84. Here it is. And select the CRS. Press apply, okay. Now the tab has changed. And now we'll go to our georeferencer tool. There we go. We'll add our raster. It doesn't matter which coordinate system you specify. And now we'll add some points. 1 point here. And we go to our Word file. This is top left. We'll specify north and east. Okay. Same. Top right. Okay. And the same for the next point. It is quite easy to locate the center despite the low quality of the image. And the last point. Bottom left and right. Okay, go to your, I suggest Qgis Spline this time. The settings will use WGS84. Output raster will be, yes, doesn't matter. Compression LZW is best for single images, and loading Qgis when done. Okay. And let the georeferencing begin. Okay. Doesn't matter. And there we are. It is slightly changed because we have a globe and it has cut some of its endings. And now we will just set the transparency of the outer sections like that. Apply, okay. And that is our image, perfectly georeferenced. And if you change the coordinate system, you will get a measure in meters. But now I cannot measure because my measurements will be in I think they are in meters exactly. So I will now measure from choose a big distance between two landmarks which are easy to spot. This house here and this house here. We have 667 meters. And now let's go to our Google Earth. Here is our house. We will check our measuring units here. Let's check from here. We will set it to meters to here. It was 667. Here is 668. And basically we have achieved our task. It is correctly georeferenced and the scale is the same. So thanks for watching, and I hope it will be useful for you. I make sure that you watch my other videos. They specify another way to do the same thing, but this is quite a reliable tool. So bye and see you next time.